I think sentences for kids. I think cats are cute. I think apples are sweet. I think this is a good book. I think birds can fly high. I think the sun is bright. I think math is fun. I think this color is nice. I think he is happy. I think dogs are loyal. I think this is my pencil. I think it's time to eat. I think flowers are pretty. I think I know the answer. I think the moon looks big. I think we will win. I think ice cream is cold. I think she is kind. I think today is Monday. I think we are late. Two think this movie is funny. I think my shoes are under the bed. I think it's bedtime. I think I saw a rainbow. I think school is important. I think my mom is the best. I think this song is nice. I think the fish can swim fast. I think it's a holiday. I think the sky is blue. I think I lost my toy. I think he is sleeping. I think I need more water. I think the cake is yummy. I think my bag is heavy. I think this is a tiger. I think he is a doctor. I think the baby is crying. I think this is the best day ever.